Hey guys, welcome back to another video in Cyber Life. I am Kamrul-Hasan. I am a cybersecurity specialist and a certified ethical hacker. Today we will discuss about how to secure your Facebook account. So there are some key points to secure your Facebook account. So I will discuss about those points one by one. Number one is use a strong password that is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol. Remember that you should avoid using common words or phrase like I love you, love, these types of words. You should not use it as a password. Number two, enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a coding addition to your password. The code can be sent to your phone or generated by an app. Number 3. Review your privacy setting. Make sure your Facebook account's privacy settings are set to your desired level. You can control who can see your posts, who can send you friend requests, and more. Number 4. Be cautious with friend requests. Only accept friend requests from people you know and trust. Scammers may try to use fake accounts to gain access to your personal information. Number 5. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Be wary of clicking on links in Facebook messages or posts from people you don't know. These links lead to phishing scams or malware downloads. Number 6. Monitor your account activity. Regularly check your Facebook account's activity log to see if there have been any unauthorized logins or suspicious activity. Number 7. Keep your device and software up to date. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser and operating system, and that you have installed any available security updates. So, by following these steps, you can help keep your Facebook account secure and protect your personal information from hackers and scammers. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this.